Let's talk hashtags. Now, I often see people using hashtags in the wrong way. Hashtags are designed to be searchable, not readable. Therefore, they don't need to go up with your main content, particularly on a channel like Instagram. So how should you be using hashtags, and what hashtags should you use? So if you're using something like Instagram, keep your hashtags separate from your main body content, because you don't actually want to detract from what you're trying to say in your posts. So there's two things you can do. You can obviously scroll down and put your hashtags further down, or best practice is actually putting them in your comment section. So go and post your content and then go back and in your comments, copy and paste or type in your hashtags there, because they are designed to be searchable, not readable. Also, don't overdo them. On platforms such as Facebook and LinkedIn, you don't want to be having 20 hashtags, okay? Keep them to a minimum on those platforms. Hashtags are really designed more for Instagram and Twitter. Yes, they are becoming more popular on the other channels, but just don't go a bit crazy, because from a user perspective, you're probably going to annoy the people that are reading it. So what hashtags should you be using? So we break it down into a few different areas. So one, yes, you might have a couple of branded hashtags you use, and that may be your company name, or perhaps, you know, an event or something that might be relevant to your particular brand. Also try adding a couple of geographic based hashtags as well. So whether that's your direct suburb or city or state, country, so forth. Think about what popular hashtags there are as well. So there's plenty of tools online where you can go and find out what the most popular hashtags are. And they could be hashtag love, hashtag food, you know, really sort of general stuff as well. Think about what might be trending as well. So if something big's happening out in the world and there's a trending hashtag, can you pull that in, and is that going to be relevant to the content you're sharing? And also industry-based hashtags. So if you're in a particular industry, so example, hashtag real estate, hashtag recruitment, they could also be relevant for you as well. So think about what hashtags might be relevant. I have a list on my phone, so I can just copy and paste them easily when I need to, or I can refer back to them if I'm having a bit of a mental block and thinking, oh my God, what hashtags should I be using here? So take some time, make sure you use your hashtags correctly. Hopefully this helped you. What I always say, never let anyone dog you sparkle, and have a fabulous day.